In this video, we will demonstrate how to operate an Allen walk-behind trowel. Before we start, every Allen trowel includes a QR code that will take you directly to the machine's operation manual. Our trowels also include a lifting hook for easy transport between sites. How to start your walk-behind trowel. Before starting, make sure to add oil to the engine. Fill the oil to the brim of the spout. Ensure the gearbox oil is filled as well. Add fuel to the top of the trowel. To start the engine, turn the on-off switch to the on position. Ensure that the safety switch is also on the on position. Make sure the throttle is in the idle position. Open the fuel line by pushing the black tab to the right. Move the gray choke tab to the left to close the choke. Pull quickly on the engine pull cord, then open the choke by pushing the gray tab to the right. Greasing the spider arms. You will need to ensure your spider arms are greased before each use. The grease fittings are located on each arm. Changing your trowel blades. To change the blades, you will first need to remove the old blades by loosening and removing the bolts. Once the bolts are removed, slide the blade out from under the machine. Then slide your new blade under the arms and align the holes. Once the holes are aligned, attach the blades by using the bolts, ensuring the smallest bolt is positioned closest to the gearbox. Adjusting the blade pitch. The machine we are demonstrating has a fine pitch control. Turn the knob to the right to raise the pitch and to the left to lower the pitch. Operating the trowel. With the engine running, adjust the speed of the blades by using the throttle control. To steer the trowel to the right, push down on the handle. To steer to the left, pull up on the handle. Thank you for watching. Please visit alleneng.com for more operational tips.